morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn something which will be very helpful to us to solve so many maths problems throughout our lives. And these are the divisibility tests. Now you must be wondering, what are divisibility tests? First of all, I will explain you the meaning of divisibility. Having learned factors and multiples, if a number is given and you are asked, is this number divisible by 5? It means whether the given number is a multiple of 5 or not. You can find this out by dividing the given number by 5 and then look at the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then the number is divisible by 5 or it is a multiple of 5. So the tests are so good that you will look at a 10-digit number and straight away you will be able to make out whether the number is divisible by 2 or 5. They are so good. So you must be very curious about them. Today we are going to learn the divisibility test of 2, 3 and 4. Come, let's go to our PowerPoint presentation.
Divisibility of a number. It means, children, we want to find out whether a given number, for instance this number, it can be fully divided by some other number. In this slide, we are going to check whether 13,790 is divisible by 5 or not. To do this, there are two methods. One method is already known to you. It is the conventional method, in which you will write 13,790 as the dividend and 5 as the divisor and divide it. 5 2s are 10, 13 minus 10 is 3, copy 7, 5 7s are 35, 35 minus 37 is 2, copy 9, 5 5s are is 25, 29 minus 25 is 4, copy 0, 5 8s are 40, 40 minus 40 is 0. Children, since the remainder is 0, it means 13,790 is divisible by 5. It means 2,758 multiplied by 5 gives us 13,790. Since we can see that it has given a remainder 0, so 13,790 is divisible by 5, or we can say that 13,750 is a multiple of 5. It means in the multiplication table of 5, this number comes as an answer. Okay, let us see one more example. Okay, is 23,413 divisible by 6? So we are going to adopt the normal method. We will write 23,413 as the dividend, 6 as the divisor and divide it. 6 3s are is 18, 23 minus 18 is 5, copy 4, 6 9s are 54, 54 minus 54 is 0, so we copy 1 from top. Since 1 does not come in the table of 6, we put a 0 in the quotient and copy 3. So we have 13. 6 2s are 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. So children, in this sum, we have got a remainder 1. Okay. 23,413 is divisible by 6 if only dividing by 6, it gives the remainder 0. Since it has not given the remainder 0, the remainder is 1. Since we can see that it has given a remainder 1, 23,413 is not divisible by 6, or 23,413 is not a multiple of 6. Okay, children, this was a conventional way. Now I am going to teach you some tricks, as I call them, to find out whether a given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on or not. How you want to know? Okay, let us see this in the next slide. So we are going to start the divisibility tests. Okay, now why we are calling them tests? Children, sometimes it so happens that if someone has fever, and even in spite of taking medicines, the fever is not coming down, then what does the doctor do? The doctor performs some tests, and with the help of the results of the test, doctor comes to know what is the reason of the fever. So same way, children, we are going to test something, and on the basis of the result of the test, we will find out whether the given number is divisible by the other number or not. Come, let's see. Divisibility test of 2. Okay, children, it is very easy. You have to look at the multiples of 2 very carefully. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, and so on. What is common in these multiples? Can you look very carefully and have a look? Okay. Look at the ones place digit of all the multiples. Okay, do it with me. Ones place digits, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And so on. I'm sure you must have guessed it by now. A number is divisible by 2 only if at its ones place there is either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 0. So children, a number is divisible by 2 only if at its ones place we have an even digit. So you all know what are even digits? The even digits are 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Find if the following numbers are divisible by 2 or not. Okay, 13,574. So we have to look at ones place digit, and that is the reason I have highlighted all the ones place digit. So here the ones place digit we have 4, and 4 is an even digit. So children, 13,574 is divisible by 2. Okay, 2,46,813. At ones place we have 3. 3 is an odd digit. So this number is not divisible by 2. Okay. 44,887. 7 is again an odd digit. So this number is also not divisible by 2. 33,578. Since 8 is an even digit, so this number is divisible by 2. 10,029. 9 is an odd digit, so this number is not divisible by 2. 5,75,712. 2 is obviously an even digit, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, 5,10,396. 6 is an even digit, so this number is divisible by 2. So children, I hope you would have understood the divisibility test of 2. And if at all at some point of time you forget, just write down the multiples of 2 and have a look at them and see what is common between all of them, and you will immediately remember what is the divisibility test of 2. Okay, let's see the divisibility test of 3. Divisibility test of 3. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54. Okay, now children, I'll just tell you what to do. Add the digits of the multiples like 12. Add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 comes in the table of 3. Here 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 also comes in the table of 3. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 also comes in the table of 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 comes in the table of 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 comes in the table of 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 comes in the table of 3. So what am I doing? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits of the number is a multiple of 3. So children, that is the reason I was adding the digits. Okay, let us add these two digits of 36. You can see 36 is a multiple of 3. And what is 3 plus 6? 9. And 9 comes in the table of 3. Okay, let us see. What is 4 plus 8? 4 plus 8 is 12. And 12 comes in the table of 3. What is 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 comes in the table of 3. So children, for two-digit multiples or more than two-digit multiples, we have to add all the digits, and if the sum is a multiple of 3, then the given number is also a multiple of 3. Come, let us find if the following numbers are divisible by 3 or not. The first number is 36,912. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So please see, is 21 coming in the table of 3? Yes, 21 is coming in the table of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. See, the sum is 21. So it is divisible by 3. Okay, let us do this number. 24,286. Now, 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Plus 2 is 22. 22. 22 does not come in the table of 3. So this number is not a multiple of 3. Right? Okay. Now let us do this number 15,369. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. And 23 plus 1 is 24. So the sum of all the digits of this number is 24, and 24 comes in the table of 3. So children, this number is a multiple of 3. See, this is a multiple of 3. Okay, now 30 lakh 60,216. Let us add all these digits. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 0 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, and 18 comes in the table of 3. So this number is a multiple of 3, or it comes in the table of 3, or we can say this number is divisible by 3. See children, it is such a big number, 30 lakh 60,216, and in less than a minute you were able to decide whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So children, these divisibility tests are very, very important, and they will be used till the time you study maths. So please try and remember them. Okay, now come to the last number, 36,901. Okay, let us add the digits. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. But 19 does not come in the table of 3, children. So this number is not divisible by 3, or it is not a multiple of 3. Okay. I hope children you will remember it. Remember this test, that you have to add the digits of the given number and see if the sum comes in the table of 3, then the given number is a multiple of 3, or we can say given number is divisible by 3. Okay, now let's go to the divisibility test of 4. Okay, now multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and so on. Do you remember, children, that I told you that multiples are unending, and that is the reason we put these three dots. These three dots, they tell us that the multiples never end. Like numbers also, they go on and on and on and on. There is no largest number in the world. Same way, there are no largest multiples. Okay. Now, a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its ones and tens place is a multiple of 4. I will explain this thing to you with the help of these examples. Let us find if the following numbers are divisible by 4 or not. Okay. This first number is 36,912. Now the number formed by ones and tens place is 12. See children, this is 12 now. This is 12. Now we have to see whether 12 comes in the table of 4 or not. Yes, 12 comes in the table of 4. It means this number is divisible by 4, or this number is a multiple of 4. Okay, here 24,286. The number formed by the ones and tens place is 86. So we will have to divide 86 by 4 to find out whether 86 comes in the table of 4 or not. So children, we are going to do this mentally. Get ready. 86 is dividend and 4 is divisor. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Copy 6. 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4, 2. So 2 is the remainder. It means 86 does not come in the table of 4. And since 86 does not come in the table of 4, so 24,286 is not a multiple of 4. Okay, children? We just had to decide whether 86 is coming in the table of 4 or not, and we could find out whether this whole number is a multiple of 4 or not. Okay, now the next number is 15,369. So the number which we have to check is 69. We need to check whether 69 will come in the table of 4 or not. Again, I know you don't remember the table of 4 till so far, so we need to divide 69 by 4 mentally. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 29. So 4 sevens are 28. 29 minus 28 is 1. So we got a remainder 1. It means 69 is not a multiple of 4. So this number is also not a multiple of 4. Okay, still a bigger number. 30,60,216. Now we have to decide whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. So let us look at the last two digits. So the number formed by the last two digits is 16. 4 fours are 16. So 16 is a multiple of 4. So this number is also a multiple of 4. Okay. Last number is 36,901. Now children, 01. Okay, what do you think? Does 01 come in the table of 4? Think, come on, think. Now 4 ones are 4. So how 01 can come in the table of 4? Obviously it does not come. So this number is also not divisible by 4. So okay children, today I taught you the divisibility test of 2, 3 and 4. In my next video, I will move ahead and teach you the divisibility test of 5, 6 and so on. Till then, you please practice and learn the divisibility test of 2, 3 and 4, and it is very important. I assure you it will be used in higher classes definitely. That's all for today children. Thank you and have a great day.